Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss the next part, the third part of previous year question paper of MSc Zoology entrance test conducted by Rajasthan University in the year 2023. Earlier we had discussed 50 questions. Today we will start with next question. The question is, in adult amniotes the functional kidney is. The answer here is metanephric kidneys. Metanephric kidneys. So first question is, what are amniotes? Amniotes क्या होते हैं? So your reptiles, your birds and mammals. Basically these three classes, they are among the amniotes. They have amnion which protect the young ones. So they have kidneys metanephric. Metanephric kidneys, these are permanent and functional and they are responsible for excretion. Actually kidneys, there are three type of kidneys that develops sequentially. First come your pronephrons, then come mesonephrons, and then come metanephrons. Archinephric, it is an outdated term referring to primitive kind of kidneys, while opisthonephric kidney, it refers to kidney arrangement in lower vertebrates. I hope this question is clear. Next question, endotheliocorial placenta is found in. So this type of placenta is a characteristic of carnivorous animal. So among these option, dog is a carnivorous. Endothelial, in this endotheliocorial placenta, here the fetal chorion contacts, here fetal chorion has contact with maternal endothelium. Okay. Next question, Down syndrome is caused by which of the following condition? The answer here is trisomy 21. It means that there is trisomy, extra copy of chromosome number 21. Okay. Next question, retrogressive metamorphosis occur in the development of. The answer is hardmania. It is a tunicate and it belongs to the class Urochordata. There are two type of metamorphosis. First one is retrogressive and second one is progressive metamorphosis. In progressive metamorphosis, adult is more advanced than that of larva, while in retrogressive metamorphosis, larva is more advanced than that of adult. Okay, it means adult will have simplified structures. Next question, scala vestibuli and scala media in the internal ear of mammals are separated by a membrane that is called. The answer here is Reznier's membrane, and it is also known as vestibular membrane. Next question, evolution of modern man Homo sapien occurred in. The answer here is Pleistocene. Modern man Homo sapien, their evolution occurred during Pleistocene epoch. That was about 3 to 2 lakh years ago. Okay. Next, which one of the following air sacs in columba is not paired? The answer here is interclavicular. Air sac is not paired, unlike cervical, thoracic and abdominal air sacs. First, columba, it's a scientific name of pigeon. And what are air sacs? If you remember about the lungs of the pigeon, then there are associated air sacs, है ना. इन air sacs का काम क्या होता है? They store extra air. They store extra air, and these air sacs also act as internal cooling agent. Internal cooling agent. Okay. Next question. Superficial meroblastic cleavage occurs in. The answer here is words, and it to some extent it also occur in reptile. In this type of cleavage, only part of the egg which is having blastodisc, which is having blastodisc undergoes cell division. Why? Because here in another major part that is laden with yolk, and yolk inhibits cleavage. Okay, and another question may be framed from here, that is on centrolethal cleavage that occur in these insects. Next question. Which of the following animal belongs to order Gymnophenia of class Amphibia? The answer here is Eurytiophilus. Eurytiophilus. This order includes limbless, burrowing amphibians. Okay. Next question. Calculate median. The question is calculate median from the following data. First, we will arrange it in the ascending order. 4, 10, 11, 12, 13. We have to 14. We have to 16 and then 18. Now median will be the average of fifth and sixth value. So fifth value will be first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth will be the 14. 13 plus 14 का average क्या होगा हमारे पास 13.5. The correct answer is 13.5. Next question. Which of the following is mismatched pair? The answer here is C. Placoid scale. Placoid scale, they are found in cartilaginous fishes. Labio is a freshwater fish, bony fish, and it will have scale for cycloid. Okay. Next question. Which one of the following is not correctly matched? The answer here is pila. The organ of Vojanus in mollusk, it is found in Unio and not in pila. Okay. Next question. Major histocompatibility complex is not present on. The answer here is mature RBCs. They lack this molecule, this MHC molecule. Next question. In Krebs cycle, oxidation dehydrogenation reaction occur at how many steps? The answer here is 4 steps. In Krebs cycle, dehydrogenation occur in 4 steps that will produce NADH and FADH. Okay. Next question. In a population, unrestricted reproductive capacity is called. The answer here is biotic potential. Biotic potential, here there will be no restriction on reproduction capacity of the organism. Next question. Natural selection is defined as. The answer here is differential adaptation of organisms to their environment. Next question. Adaptations found in deep sea animal are because their body is dorsoventral-flattened. Yes. Skeleton is feeble and fragile. Yes. So they can move quickly, they can swim quickly. Presence of bioluminescence. Yes, they are luminant organism. So the answer here is all of the above. Next question. The exchange of bicarbonate and chloride ion between RBC and blood plasma is known as. The answer here is Hamburger phenomena. Next, which of the following is an essential fatty acid for mammals? The answer here is linolenic acid. Why this is essential? Because it cannot synthesize in body and must be obtained from diet. Right? Next question. Which hormone is released from the kidney when oxygen is low in the body? The answer is erythropoietin. It stimulates the red blood cell production in the bone marrow. And it is released by kidneys. Next, skin color in man is an example of, the answer here is polygenic inheritance. Polygenic inheritance means multiple genes, they work together making it a polygenic trait. Next question, when a colorblind male offspring is born, then the parents are. If a colorblind male offspring is born, then the parents are, father is colorblind but mother is carrier. Yes, the first option is right because color blindness is a X-linked recessive disorder. A color blind male offspring inherits X chromosome with the defective gene from his carrier mother and Y chromosome from his father. There is male offspring means a single X chromosome can cause color blindness. Next question, which one of the following is not an example of secondary lymphoid organ? The answer here is thymus. It is primary lymphoid organ. While appendix, tonsil, pear patches, these are secondary lymphoid organs. Next question, the cause of filariasis is, the answer here is Wucheria bancrofti. Vector क्या है? Mosquito. It is transmitted by mosquitoes. And Wucheria bancrofti is a nematode. And filariasis, it is also known as elephantiasis. As it obstruct the lymph vessels of limbs. Last question of this part is, diabetes insipidus is associated with abnormality of, the answer here is posterior pituitary gland. Why? Because it is associated with the hormone ADH, antidiuretic hormone, which is also known as vasopressin, and it is released by the posterior pituitary gland, and this hormone they form in the hypothalamus. So these were the 25 क्वेश्चन वी डिस्कस्ड हियर. हम नेक्स्ट 25 क्वेश्चन अगले पार्ट में डिस्कस करेंगे. थैंक यू सो मच. अगर आपको कोई भी क्वेरी है तो प्लीज़ पिन दैट इन द कमेंट बॉक्स. थैंक यू.